Hey, my name is Mark Bishop and thank you for checking out my Jacked ATM review. The first thing to point out here is that this is a genuine review. So I'm sure you will have seen tons and tons of reviews in your time online that turn out to actually not be reviews. So this isn't copied from anywhere else. What we're going to do is we're going to take you inside of the software, show you what you get, what it does, how it works, so forth. And if you watch this video right until the end, we'll share our exclusive bonuses with you. Now, the point of this kind of review is not to sort of hard sell you, Jacked ATM may not be for you. But if it is, we want to give you the best deal. So please watch all of this video. Alex is going to take you inside of the software right now. And then at the end, I'll talk about the bonuses.
Hi there, I'm Alex Copeland, and on behalf of Mark Bishop, I'm doing this review on Jacked ATM. We've got our own account so we can have a mess around with it, so I'm just going to show you what's in here, what it actually does and what it's all about. Okay, well, as you can see, it's actually really nicely laid out. First of all, it's got some great things on the dashboard straight away. You've got the stats once you actually start using this. But what does it actually do first and foremost? Well, what it does is it puts things over the top of other sites so that you can then use that to get commissions. You can use it to send people to whatever place you want to send them. So the reason this works is because you've got the authority of that site where they want to read whatever that article is, for example, and then you can put over the top of that your adverts or your affiliate links so that people see it and they associate with that site. They see that site, they go, oh, okay, this site's trustworthy, and then they click on your links and they buy your stuff. Now, the easiest way to make that clearer is to just show you. So I'm inside the dashboard now. As you can see just here, you've got things up here that give you all the stats you need once you start using it. You've also got this paste along URL thing here. I'll show you how that works in a minute, but basically that's the site that you want to overlay your stuff onto. And you've also got other things so that you can find your URLs when you've got a lot in here. But let's go down the side here and just see exactly what you've got. So we've got the dashboard, which we're on right now. You've got archived links, which is obviously once they're used and they've been sent to the archives, that's where you'll find them. Expired links, again, pretty self-explanatory. The things we're really interested in are these builders for the ads. So you've got ads builder, redirect ads, content ads and message ads. Now there's a bunch of different ads you can create, so I'm going to show you what they are and then I'm just going to create one of them so you're not stuck on this review for too long, because the idea of this is to show you how easy this is and how this works. They've got full training inside it once you buy it anyway, so you can learn all the other things once you've done that. So here we go. You've got ads builder here, so I'll just show you what this is. Basically it's a splash page you can put over the top of any page you want. So if you wanted to create that, we're not going to in this particular review, but if you wanted to, you give it a name, give it a banner and throw your ad code in there and then enable it. That's really simple to do. Redirect ads, if we click on create there, you can see that we can choose our splash page type, a banner splash or a URL splash. So we could say banner splash like so and just give it a name. Now the link to product, this is where you want to put maybe your affiliate link or the website you want to send that traffic to. Then we could put an avatar in here, so it's got a person that you can show. You've got a banner, which is what will pop up as well. Then you've got your custom title and a custom message, and you can create this splash page and then you can make it pop over the top of other pages. I'm not going to use this one as the example, I just wanted to show you that they have that in there as well. Then we've got content ads. Now these ones we are going to create. So I'm going to create one of these and you can see that you can get different overlays here. You've got a small pop-up with a message and a link to a page or product. Content ads, you can create multiple ones of these so you can advertise more than one thing across the bottom of the screen. Chatbot, you can create an overlay and put your chatbot code in there so it pops up on top of someone else's website, but it's your chatbot. That's very, very clever. Contact form, where you can collect this and build a list. Message ads, where you can create these and they again promote your products. Video ads, where you can pop a video into there, you can create a poll, or you can create an overlay with HTML code, so you could pop whatever you like in there really, it's up to you. What we're going to do is create a message ad. So let's click on there, and then we're just going to create the one to show you how easy it is. Then you click to edit that overlay. Now we give this a name. Give it a custom message. Just to say why I'm doing Acne, by the way, it makes sense. I mean, it's something that we're all really interested in. It's like the niche marketing and the embarrassing niches as well. And I found an affiliate program to do with acne on ClickBank. Really easy to find. And if you've got an account, then you're automatically allowed to promote on ClickBank. So it's a good place to go, especially if you're starting out. So I've done that, and I've also found an article to do with how to do home remedies for acne. So that's just to explain where the acne things come from. So anyway, the custom message, let's do having trouble with acne. This will fix it. Then we've got the overlay label. You leave that empty to disable. I'm going to get rid of that like so. Button link. This is where it will go to. So this is going to be my affiliate link. Pop that in there. And then the button text. Now if we leave this blank, then it means that the whole overlay will be linked so that we don't have to worry about them hitting the button. So I'm going to leave that. Now good practice is to put an image into the banner here so that it pops up over it as well. And that's it, you're done. You hit on save overlay and you're ready to use it. Now the way it works is you go to the dashboard and then you put your URL of whatever the article is you want to use into this part here. Then you select the thing that you've just made. You hit Jack and it gives you a shortened URL. Now with that shortened URL, you can then go ahead and you can share it. And when people go to that site, it will pop up your advert underneath it. You can share the QR code, you can share it on Facebook, or you can share it on Twitter, or you can just throw it wherever you can put this link. Now when you do that, it'll pop up that particular campaign on top of this article. So basically you're sharing some really good information, but your affiliate stuff is popping up. And if you can marry it up, like I said, for example, mine was an acne article and then I've got an acne product popping over the top, then you're going to get people seeing it, assuming that it's to do with the site, so therefore you're using their authority, clicking on it and buying your stuff. Now there's loads of different ones you can do here. The idea of this is just to show you how easy it is to use and that it's set out really well. Now as far as reviewing this is a really clever idea. I've seen this kind of jacking thing before, but this is done in such a cool way inside this cloud-based app. So you can really keep an eye on everything you're doing. It's got loads of different types of adverts. You can make it look like a messenger bot. You can make it look like a banner. You can make it an overlay. You can collect emails. You can do all sorts of stuff. So it's very cool. It definitely works. It's something that's tried and tested. So it's fully recommended and it can be a really cool thing to add into your arsenal of ways to make money. And this is piggybacking on other people's content. So you haven't got to do anything. You haven't got to create anything. You haven't got to make any blog posts, anything like that. You just got to find something, share it, have your stuff popping over the top of it. And Jacked ATM is well worth it.
So as you can see, Jacked ATM is a system which will allow you to hijack other pages, other content, basically to put your content or your links on top of those pages. Now this isn't a new concept, it's been done before, but obviously this comes with some additional tweaks. So if you are interested in Jacked ATM, then we have a number of bonuses. Some of these bonuses you'll get from pretty much anybody because they are what they call vendor bonuses, but we also have a ton of exclusives, which in our opinion make Jacked ATM just that little bit better. Now obviously you have to decide if you actually need Jacked ATM or not. But if you do, please check the page underneath this video. You'll see all of the bonuses as well as additional details. So we've pretty much covered everything right below this video. Please take a moment to check it out before you decide whether to purchase Jacked ATM or not. And please make sure you check out the bonuses. Thanks for watching.